In this video, I'll share with you the best video editing tools out there. Paid, free, easy, tough, everything. Let's go. Hey guys, my name is Mani Karthik from India. On this channel and my blogs, I share useful information that I hope will help you become a better person in life. If you're new here, do check out my website at manikarthik.com to know more about me and the stuff that I do. I hope we can be friends. So, video editing. I think video editing is a skill that everyone should learn today. In a world of content overload, I think it's essential that you learn how to cut and edit your videos. It's become an essential skill like coding was back in those days. In this video, I've handpicked some of the best video editing software that you can use to create videos. Everything from YouTube video to TikTok and homemade videos. Picking the right video editing software and learning the tools ins and outs can transform your life. You can use it to create professional quality videos for your YouTube channel, Facebook ads, Instagram profile, and more. Here are the most important things you will need to consider when choosing the best video editing software. The type of videos you're going to create, the kind of computer you're using, that is Apple or Windows, the video file types you're going to be editing, the transitions and effects you want to apply, and of course, your existing skills with video editing. And based on your requirements, there might be a tool that'll fit you. I'll leave that choice to you. Let's take a look at some of the best video editing software in the market today. Number one is Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is the best all-around video editing software in my personal opinion. It's professional grade, used by both amateurs and professionals. It's the industry standard for professionals in Hollywood, television, and even used by some of the most popular YouTubers. It's cross-platform compatible and works on both Mac and Windows. If you're an Adobe user and you're using other products like Photoshop, After Effects, or even Adobe Stock, then it might make sense to use Premiere Pro since it integrates with the other products seamlessly and it works pretty much the same way. I had used Photoshop early on in my career and it was super easy in Premiere because I could identify what's what by just one look. It's easy to get used to and it isn't complicated. Of course, when it comes to advanced editing, you need a lot of experience and knowledge of basic editing skills, but even an amateur beginning to learn editing can get started with Premiere. You'll be rewarded for knowing to use Premiere anywhere in your career. Coming to technical specifications, it supports the latest 4K, 8K, and VR video formats. VR for virtual reality, and can handle multi-angle shots. It also has advanced trimming and editing tools to give you the high level of control. There are robust color grading, color correction, and composing features. Plus, there's chroma key options to remove backgrounds for green screen videos. Handy for young YouTubers. You can import from virtually any source of format and you can have unlimited number of video tracks running that you can add. So beyond the video editing tools, there's a lot of audio editing also possible with Premiere Pro. You can subscribe to Adobe Premiere Pro by itself for $239 per year. Or you can purchase the Creative Cloud Suite, which comes at $59 or $52 per month, which gives you access to all 20 plus Adobe apps, including Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Illustrator, XD, and all Premiere Pro fonts and collaboration tools. If you're an amateur, I would suggest you go for the standalone app, but if you're a creative person or an agency or even a startup, getting the whole Creative Suite is a good idea. Again, quick tip there. I use the Creative Suite for myself, but I got it for a cheaper price. I managed to talk to the customer service representative, explain what I wanted and my budgetary constraints, and they were generous enough to give me a good discount. I don't know whether I should say this, but yes, you should perhaps try that route. Talk to their customer support guys and see if they can squeeze in a discount. Number two is Camtasia. Camtasia is primarily a screen recording software, but you will also find powerful video editing functionality on it. The combination of screen recording and editing tools makes it perfect for creating YouTube tutorials, online course lessons, how-to videos, product reviews, and more. You will find a library of video templates that you can use to easily create that kind of video you want. The process for editing videos is very straightforward. Just use a drag and drop editor to edit your video and add animations and transition effects quickly. There's also an integration with PowerPoint to help you create captivating presentations and tutorials. You will even find cool interactive features like quizzes that you can add to your videos. You can use the iPhone app to record videos on your phone and edit them using the software. This is great if you're creating mobile tutorial videos or walkthroughs. What I really love about this tool is that it's super functional and only does what most of us really need. Make a lot of screen recording type of videos and edit them. Camtasia offers an individual plan for around $250, which gives you access to all features and is compatible with both Windows and Mac. Larger teams can purchase the business license, and there are both education, government, and non-profit discounts available. My personal take is that I believe Camtasia is the best video editing software for online course creators and how to type video content. It's not the kind of software you need if you need cinematic type video editing, just illustrative content. Number 3 on my list is called Promo. A lot of us use videos for marketing purposes, right? If yes, you need this piece of software, and here's why. Promo is a great online video editor, perfect and tuned for making marketing videos. It's incredibly easy to use. Even if you're not tech savvy, you can put together promotional content quickly and simply. It only takes a couple of clicks to create an engaging video ready to be posted online. It's super easy to use. All you have to do is choose your campaign type or industry, select from one of the 5 million templates, then add customizable animations, video clips, and text. You can even see your changes in real time. You'll find templates in industries like business, real estate, marketing, travel, e-commerce, and recruiting as well. Plus, specialized templates for marketing tasks like promo videos, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, and LinkedIn ads. You can also start from the scratch with a blank template. The basic plan starts at $49 per month. If you create a lot of marketing videos, then the standard plan gives you access to unlimited premium clips and video downloads. Plus, you can add watermark to your videos for $99 per month. The premium plan also gives you access to an iOS or Android mobile app, which lets you create videos on the go. I believe Promo is the best video editor for creating and editing marketing videos. It's great for business owners, marketers, and non-techie users. Super easy to use and super fun. Number 4 is Wondershare Filmora. Incredibly popular among YouTubers, Wondershare Filmora is a video editing platform that, in my opinion, is made for YouTubers. It's a very simple and easy to use video editing software that is very similar to Windows Media Maker. It has a short learning curve, so it's perfect for those just getting started with video editing. Even if you have never used a video editing software before, you can use this intuitive and easy to navigate editor to create your first video. As your skills improve, you can take advantage of the advanced video editing features this tool offers, such as noise removal, speed control, color tuning, and more. You'll also find a library of visual effects and built-in titles that are designed with YouTubers in mind. There's also a library of royalty-free music and sound effects you can use in your videos. The most recent release added features like motion graphics, color matching, and even keyboard shortcuts to help you create your own time-saving workflows. There's also a free mobile app for editing videos on the go and simply uploading to Instagram or YouTube. What I really like about Filmora is the pre-built packages of special effects that you can buy from them. They are super useful and very good. The premium version costs $69 for a lifetime payment, or you can choose to pay $45 per year. There's a free version available which has all the same features as the paid version, but your videos will have their company watermark present. I believe that Wondershare Filmora is the best beginner-friendly video editing software. Number 5 is Final Cut Pro, or FCP. Final Cut Pro, or FCP as it's fondly called, is the best video editing software for macOS, used by over 2 million people. This tool is very easy to use despite being so powerful. Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro offer nearly an identical set of features, but the big difference is that Final Cut Pro isn't Windows compatible. It's equipped with advanced functionality to help you edit videos faster, like smart confirm cropping, which will ensure that no essential scenes get cut. There are grouping tools, organization features, animation templates, transitions, and a library of video effects. plus built-in audio editing features just like Adobe Premiere. If you're going to post videos to Facebook or YouTube, then you can use the export feature to automatically optimize and set the right aspect ratio for these platforms. Since Final Cut Pro isn't subscription-based, it offers you a simpler pricing model. Pay a one-time fee of $299 and access the software forever. I believe that Final Cut Pro is the best video editing program for Mac users. So, which is the best video editing software out there? In my personal opinion, Adobe Premiere Pro is the best video editing software in the market. Everything said and done, it gets most of the points checked. It's professional, but not difficult to learn. It's expensive, but there are cheaper options. It works on all platforms. There's a lot of community support around it, and you will never find yourself stuck at anything. It has every feature you could want and plenty of tutorials for beginners who are just getting started using the software. Now, if you're looking for creating video tutorials, screencast videos, then Camtasia is the best cross-platform video editing software for screen recording. If you're looking for an easy tool for creating promo videos for social media ads or marketing campaigns, then Promo.com comes with a lot of templates. It's made for marketers and non-techies. So there you go, guys, the best video editing software out there in the market today. I hope you liked the video and found it useful. If you did or didn't, please let me know in the comment section below. I take all your feedback seriously. See you in another video. This is Mani Karthik signing off.